Hi Adorners, welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. So over the next month, we are going to be talking about new trends for your home, ways to redo your home, maybe to get organized and things like that. If you are interested in that, and of course I'm always cooking, and I look forward to seeing you in the video. So of course, things are different. As you can see, I changed my hair color. Actually, I do this every January. What's your tradition? My tradition every year is to change my hair color back to its normal state, or to a more normal state. I've added a few highlights, but anyway, that's one of my traditions now. I change my hair, I take my hair down or whatever every January, and then I go back to what I normally do. Anyway, as always, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I am your girlfriend, your auntie, your lifestyle and decor, and as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say hello for another time. See you in the next video.